Cars have come a long way since 1769, but what will they look like in 2050? Let's find out. In 1769, one of the first steam-powered vehicles appeared, beginning the incredible evolution of the automobile. By 1801, steam vehicles were becoming more advanced, although they were still large, slow, and difficult to control. In the 1830s, inventors continued experimenting with steam-powered vehicles and new ways to move people without horses. By 1860, engineers were developing new types of engines that would eventually change transportation forever. During the 1870s, early motor vehicle concepts began moving closer to the automobile we know today. In 1885, the first successful gasoline-powered vehicles began proving that engines could replace horses. In 1886, the Benz motor car became one of the most important milestones in automotive history. By 1890, early automobiles were becoming more practical, with 4 wheels and improved gasoline engines. By 1895, automobile designs were becoming more sophisticated, comfortable, and reliable. By 1900, cars were no longer just experiments. The automobile era was officially beginning. In 1905, early automobiles were becoming more recognizable, with improved engines, stronger bodies, and better designs. By 1910, mass production was making cars more affordable and available to ordinary people. By 1915, automobiles were becoming more stylish, powerful, and practical for everyday transportation. The 1920s brought a new era of automobiles, with better engines, enclosed bodies, and completely different designs. By 1925, Art Deco influences were beginning to appear in automobile design, making cars look more elegant. In the 1930s, cars became more aerodynamic, luxurious, and visually impressive. By 1935, automobile engineering had advanced dramatically, with smoother shapes and more powerful engines. By 1940, cars had become sophisticated machines, but the coming war would temporarily change the automotive industry. After World War II, the automobile industry began rebuilding, creating a new generation of cars. The 1950s completely transformed car design, introducing huge chrome details, bold shapes, and unforgettable American classics. By 1955, cars were becoming symbols of freedom, style, and modern American culture. The 1960s introduced powerful engines and helped create the legendary muscle car era. By 1965, sports cars were becoming faster, lower, and more exciting than ever before. The 1970s became famous for powerful muscle cars, aggressive designs, and enormous engines. But the oil crisis changed everything, and manufacturers began focusing more on smaller and more efficient cars. By the 1980s, cars became more aerodynamic, electronic, and technologically advanced. Turbocharged engines and high-performance technology pushed 1980s sports cars to another level. In the 1990s, cars became smoother, safer, and more aerodynamic, leading toward the modern automobile. By 1995, performance cars were combining powerful engines with advanced technology and improved handling. By the year 2000, computers and electronics were becoming an important part of almost every modern car. By 2005, cars were becoming faster, safer, and more connected, while advanced electronics changed the driving experience. In 2010, smart technology began transforming cars with digital displays, sensors, and advanced driver assistance. Hybrid technology was becoming increasingly important as manufacturers searched for cleaner and more efficient transportation. Electric cars started proving that performance and efficiency could exist in the same vehicle. By 2015, modern supercars were combining extreme performance with advanced computers, lightweight materials, and incredible aerodynamics. Driver assistance systems became more advanced, bringing cars one step closer to autonomous driving. Electric performance cars showed that powerful acceleration no longer required a traditional gasoline engine. By 2018, autonomous driving technology was becoming one of the biggest goals in the automotive industry. Cars were becoming connected devices, communicating with smartphones, the internet, and surrounding technology. By 2020, electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, and advanced driver assistance were reshaping the future of cars. By 2022, AI-assisted driving and advanced sensors were making vehicles smarter than ever. In 2024, electric and intelligent vehicles continued pushing automobile technology into a new era. By 2026, AI-powered cars could become even more capable, connected, and autonomous. By 2030, fully autonomous electric vehicles could completely change the way people travel. By 2040, cars may become more like intelligent personal spaces than traditional vehicles. And by 2050, cars could become something we can barely recognize compared to the vehicles of 1769. Want to see more amazing evolutions? Watch more videos on our channel and subscribe for more.